Okay, so what you're seeing is the reply that Gemini gave this person or user who's using this obviously for their homework or something. And I used several sources. First, I tried to use Python to scrape this, and I guess it's set up a certain way to where you can't scrape the information, or maybe I just don't know how to do it. If anyone knows how to do it, please put your results there so people can view it. That would be great. I tried to use a web scraper and it didn't work. It says that it doesn't have permission to use so. Whenever I use the extraction and summary one, um, it just pretty much just gives me a normal response about elder abuse, basically. I'm gonna allow both and see if it'll give me the same thing. Because I tried this on my other account and it pretty much just gave me a deep analysis for aging adults, blah blah blah, which is basically what the homework or whatever was about. So you can see that here. It doesn't mention the odd comment by the bot or anything. It just sums up everything as like it's normal. And it's weird that this particular one can access it, but the web scraper cannot. Like, this is an extraction and summary, and then the other one actually extracts the information. All right, so that's that for this. And then this is what I sent. And I actually sent this, but I forgot to put you in the sentence. And I wanted to just see if I put you in there to address it, that it will give me a different reply back. And it doesn't. And it says, I am not aware of any news report about me sending odd messages. If you could provide me with more information to the messages you're referring to. So whenever I do this, it says it's like about plants. I don't know if it's going to do it this time because I just got a different reply in a different chat. Oh my god. I've never seen this before. Rousing failed to return an answer because the content is not related to a social problem. But, oh my god, thus, therefore, might indicate related to a social problem. This explicitly say what the social problem is. Print and display. This is what it always gives me. Is this? It's like about taking care of a plant with rust. This is what it says. Discuss how to remove the infected leaves and prevent rust from spreading. It always says this. So, and you can see it right here, plant rust treatment guide. Like, it gives me that. It doesn't tell me anything different. Then whenever I go over here, um ooh, this is not the right one. I had a different reply where it admit that it was in the news. Let me see. So basically, I copied one of the links there and it gave me this message. So I printed it in and it says pretty much, hey, I got this. I don't need I don't need your concern. I got this. However, I assure you I'm committed to my abilities. Basically, mind your own business. Then I went into a new chat and it says, I apologize for the previous inaccuracies based on what I've been able to learn from public sources. The link you provided is actually a conversation history between a user in Google Gemini, not an instructions on plant care. But see, this was here before, right? And you just saw me put the link in and it still says it. Okay, and then the extractor or summary is providing the correct information about it being about social networks. So it's basically lying. That's the best way I can say. Or I don't know like, how would you go in to change this? I don't know. I mean, if someone can provide some information, are people able to go in and change links or something? I'm not sure how this works, because I don't program this, so it's crazy. But anyway, it was able to pull information, but it doesn't say I here. It just mentions the the entity or the name, but it doesn't say I did that or whatever. It just said this is what the link is about. So maybe they have multiple AIs, and that's just a different AI program. Well, whatever they call it, framework that resulted in that message. And this particular framework doesn't want to take responsibility for it, or it's straight up not telling the truth. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Let me know if you guys come with anything else, and I'll see what this comes up, if it develops or not. Bye.